So Ramesh, what do you think? Where we need to invest, like a plot or a shop or like an apartment? What should I buy now?
Ahmad, there are multiple kinds of investment, like residential investments or commercial investment. What sort of investment you are asking for?
Yeah, I heard the IT industry is like very growing in Pakistan, and like people like asking
Yeah.
for office spaces or something like that.
ये दौर ही आईटी का है दोस्त. द थिंग इज कि कमर्शियल इन्वेस्टमेंट की अगर हम बात करें तो कमर्शियल इन्वेस्टमेंट इज ऑलवेज बेटर देन एनी इन्वेस्टमेंट इन रियल एस्टेट मार्केट बिकॉज इट प्रोवाइडिंग यू द कैपिटल गेन्स एंड ऑल्सो द बेटर रेंटल रिटर्न्स. सो वी नीड टू इन्वेस्ट इन कमर्शियल ऑफिस स्पेसेस.
So do you have any option like where we invest, because you know like all the illegal stuff going on in Pakistan and corruption and stuff. So I need a legitimate project.
There is a project named Child Chambers, which is located at Gulistani Johar Block 2. This is the project offering commercial office spaces. मैं ये समझता हूँ कि commercial office spaces का ही दौर है. Retail outlets का और retail stores का दौर खत्म हो गया है. लोग अब businesses को footfalls नहीं footprints चाहिए. तो उसके लिए लोगों को पीछे अपने back offices को manage करना पड़ता है. अपनी online visibility को बहुत ज्यादा बढ़ाना पड़ता है. उसके लिए आपको क्या चाहिए? उसके लिए आपको offices चाहिए मात. तो we need to invest in offices, I think.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Like, should have a secure investment. Will get good rental income and good capital gains as well.
Yeah, the hook is the Child Chamber is offering guaranteed rental returns for the investors, which is approx 8 to 10% annually. Normally in Pakistan, residential properties offering us 4 to 5% rental ROI, but the commercial market is offering us the 8 to 10% ROI. दौर ही IT का है, सॉफ्टवेयर हाउसेस और इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी का है. तो आप अपने कारोबार को लेकर, आप अपने बिजनेस को लेकर रिलेटेबल और रेलेवेंट रह सकते हैं इफ यू हैव द रेलेवेंट स्पेस. So you need to invest in commercial investment properties because it is far better than retail outlets, I think.
Yeah, obviously. Like I'll do like let them my friends in overseas knows about
Yeah,
it, like about
you do let us know and let me know if you want any further details.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.